how to fix call failed issue on iPhone. So if your iPhone keeps saying that your call is failed, then here are 3 procedures you can apply to fix this problem. So first thing first, simply head over to your numpad and type in the *#31# and once you call from here, it will reset your option over here. And as you can see, it has successfully resetted my option. And the second thing that you can do is you can simply take out your SIM card from your device and reinsert the SIM card. And the third thing that you can do is that you can simply head over to your settings and simply search in reset option here, and you just need to reset all settings from here, and by entering your password you just need to restart your device and your error should be fixed. So that's exactly how you can fix the call failed issue on your iPhone. Hope this video was informational. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.